Hey guys! Welcome to iCreate. As promised, here's another tutorial on how to upcycle your BTS meal paper bag. This one's a no-sew zipper pouch, so kahit hindi ka marunong magtahi, kayang-kaya mong gawin to. So before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel so we can continue creating new crafting videos for you. For the materials, we need one BTS meal paper bag cut in one piece 5 by 9 inches, one piece 5.5 by 9 inches, two pieces 1/2 inch by 9 inches for the strips, one piece 2 by 2.5 inches for the top. We also need 4 pieces A4 size cold laminating film cut in 1/4 inch bigger kesa sa paper natin. We need 2 pieces each for the big pieces, 1 piece each for the strips, and for the top, this one is folded na, so I'll show you later kung paano. So just cut a piece of 1.5 by 3 inches. For the tools, we need 8-inch zipper, scissors, adhesive tape, B6000 glue, and itong tatlo, optional lang siya. You can use alternative tools. This one's a bone folder, ito is Stylus or nail art tool, and this one's a Squeegee, or you can also use ATM card. After cutting your materials, get your tab and fold lang natin into 3. Lagyan lang natin ng adhesive tape and idikit lang natin together. Then let us set this aside. Then ididikit na natin yung film natin sa ating paper using our Squeegee. Again, you can use ATM card. So, peel the backing of your film pero wag lahat, mga 1 inch lang para madaling i-control. So, nilalagyan natin ng film para mas matibay and waterproof yung paper natin. So, ipantay nyo lang and make sure na tama yung lapat ng film sa ating paper, and using your Squeegee, i-press nyo lang ng maayos. And using your left hand, yan yung pang-a-adjust natin ng backing ng ating film as we work our way hanggang sa end ng ating paper. So just cut the excess film and let's just repeat this step on the wrong side of our paper. Just repeat this step on your other big piece. And for the strip naman, we can peel it fully and idikit lang natin sa right side ng ating strip. And ulitin lang natin to sa ating second piece. And for the top naman, we can also peel it fully. Dikit nyo lang sa gitna and overlap nyo lang sa likod. And again, just cut the excess film. So next step is we will attach the bottom parts of our big pieces together. So be careful on this part, dapat tama yung direction ng pattern natin para pag binaliktad natin, maayos yung direction ng pattern both sides. Get your 5-inch piece, measure 1/2 inch sa bottom part, so use your stylus to mark it. Then, lagyan lang natin ng adhesive tape. Then, get your 5.5 inch piece. And again, dapat bottom part yung ididikit natin. So, just peel off your adhesive tape and gamitin nyo lang yung mark na nilagay natin kanina. Dapat hindi kayo lalampas dyan. Again, bottom parts together. So it should look like this. Next step is we will fold in the top and bottom of our pouch in 1/2 inch. So let's just measure and mark it using our stylus. And lagyan lang natin ng adhesive tape both sides. So just peel off your adhesive tape, and dahil nga gumamit tayo ng stylus kanina, mas madali na siyang i-fold ng pantay. Then use your bone folder para ma-press lang ng maayos yung paper para mas malinis and magandang tingnan. Then just fold the other side. Then after that, lalagyan lang ulit natin ng adhesive tape yung top and bottom ng wrong side ng ating pouch. Then after that, i-measure lang din natin yung sides ng ating pouch in 1/2 inch. Let's measure it and mark it using our stylus. Then lalagyan lang natin ng adhesive both sides yung upper half ng ating pouch. Then, lalagyan lang din natin ng adhesive yung bottom left side ng ating pouch for our tab. So, we will now attach the zipper sa ating pouch. So, lay your zipper teeth facing up and just peel off yung adhesive sa top part ng inyong pouch. Then, may makikita kayong line sa zipper. You can use that para maging pantay yung pagkakalagay nyo. So, just press it. And get your strip. Lagyan lang natin ng adhesive tape. Peel it off. And idikit lang natin siya sa wrong side ng ating pouch. You can use your bone folder to press it properly. So we will now work on the other side of our zipper. So fold the top part like this. And i-peel nyo lang yung adhesive sa bottom part. And idikit lang natin ulit ng pantay. Then open your pouch and lalagyan ulit natin ng strip. So just get your strip and lagyan natin ng adhesive. Peel it off and ilagay lang ulit natin sa wrong side ng ating pouch. Then, use your bone folder para lang ma-press ng maayos yung ating strip and yung ating zipper. Cut the excess zipper tape. And pwede din kayo gumamit ng lighter para lang paapuyan yung dulo para hindi siya mag-fray. So, get your tab and fold it in half. Lagyan lang natin ng adhesive yung ends para ma-fold siya in place. So now, we will fold the sides of our pouch. So start tayo sa left side sa may area na nilagyan natin ng tab. So just fold it. And mag-measure lang tayo ng 1/2 inch from the top of our pouch. And dyan natin ilalagay yung ating tab. So just peel off yung adhesive for the tab na nilagay natin kanina. And just place your tab 1/2 inch from the top of your pouch. So just press it. Make sure pantay yung inyong zipper. Peel off ng paunti-unti yung inyong adhesive. And unti-unti nyo ding idikit yung sides ng inyong pouch. So you can use B6000 glue para ma-reinforce yung inyong sides and yung top part ng inyong pouch. So again, get your bone folder and press this nicely. And let's just repeat these steps sa other side ng ating pouch. So just fold the other side of your pouch. Peel the adhesive off ng paunti-unti and again, make sure pantay yung sides ng inyong pouch. Then just press this nicely using your bone folder. And our no-sew zipper pouch is finally done. If you have any questions and suggestions, please comment below, and if you try this project, please tag me on my socials. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day. Bye!